Japhet Madaraka Nyakweba, Principal, Nyachogochogo AIC Secondary School. Presently, today is on Monday, we are receiving our grade 10 students. And at the same time, with us in our school, we were given the 3 pathways. That is the STEM, the social sciences, and the creative arts and sports. And we are expecting to receive a population of about 400 students. And these, of course, there has been some challenges when we compared the way we are admitting the Form 1s, because presently, even today, we have already received about already 50 students, but there are some challenges in that you find some of them, they have already been taken to other schools, while they have a letter for our institution. So, but we have contacted the office and we know that the challenge is going to be solved. At the same time, the capacity of the school is about, will require about 1,000 students, because presently we have got 2 debuts, one for academic and the one for administration. So in Form 1, in grade 10, sorry, that is, we are hoping that because of the performance which we had in our institution, that is for the Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education 2025. Indeed, we were expecting to get a mean of 8+, and because of the hard work of the students, the work of the teachers, what they did, they were always determined, and above all, God gave us good health, and we were able to attain a mean of 8.7, and the grades were as follows. We had an A-, 1 A-, we had 24 B+, we had 133 B plain, we had also 64 B-, 8 C+, and 1 D+. Those ones who qualified directly to the university, they were 230 out of 231. And I'm also happy to say that we had the best perform students, that is from Nyamache sub-county, who had an A-. So I'm hoping and trusting that this year we are targeting a mean of 9. Already we have started working with the students, because normally we finish our syllabus by May. This time we are hoping that it can be possible for us to finish our syllabus by the end of first term, such that we can also start our serious revision. I believe strongly that the way the teachers are very determined, our students are well motivated, they are also determined, we are going to achieve our goal, our target, that is 900 or 9 and above. This one is a bit tedious, because with the Form 1 admissions, we used to issue them with letters and they come, then the process goes on, only they have to pay for the items required. But these ones, it's a bit tedious, because they have got to come with what do we normally call them? You know, there is we have got to have somebody with that's a laptop to enter their whatever, to see whether they were selected to this school. Actually, it has been giving us a lot of challenges, because like in this morning, there are about 5 students whom, when we were entering them, they whatever is just giving us red, and which means that they have already been selected to another school, and yet they have our letters. That is also one of the major challenges that we are getting. And at the same time, even as students are reporting, those ones who have already reported, They are also having the challenge because they were called, some were called for the social sciences, but now once they have come, they are saying they want to do STEM. So those are kind of challenges because normally, formally, they used to come and they take all the subjects. Then going to Form 2, they can select which one to move with. And at the same time also, we have not received teachers, especially for these new subjects. That's also another problem that we are getting at the moment. And I hope that the TSC will do the necessary. We have already requested for the same, such that we can be given those teachers for metalwork, for French, for home science, electricity, all those other new subjects. Actually, we don't have, but it's only that we are now going to employ for the BOM, such that we can proceed as we wait for the TSC to give us the teachers.